I picked up this entire mountain of seeds from my local Lidl for the grand total of 8 quid. Absolute bargain. Over the next few weeks, I'll be busy at home turning my windowsills into a jungle before moving everything down to the plot. I'll also be sowing some of these directly into the soil, provided the British weather actually behaves itself for once. Unlikely, I know. So, follow along on the journey. I'll show you how I sow them, how I transplant them, and if the slugs don't get there first, there might even be a harvest and a cooking video or two. Fingers crossed I get more than 8 pounds worth of veg back. Otherwise, this is going to be a very expensive salad.